you guys, this is Angie here, and I hope you all are having an amazing day. I decided to come and do a quick video to show you guys my yarn braids for this year. Every year around this time, around fall and winter time, I like to put up styles that I really don't have to do too much to my hair. So I went ahead and put up some more yarn braids this year, and I want to kind of show you guys my out of the box colorful style that I'll be rocking this year. So I wanted to go with like a peacock theme, so I tried to kind of do the colors to mimic like the peacock feather. And so I got a little bit of turquoise in there, some blue, I got 2 shades of purple in there, and then a little bit of cranberry, and then at the top I have some black, so just so it wouldn't be too overpowering at the top. So I do have a video on this style already where I was doing my yarn braids a couple of years back. I'll put that video in the box down below if you guys are interested. The thing with yarn braids, I really like wearing yarn braids because it's like I don't have anything on my head. It's super light and they're easy to kind of like pin up and do different styles. You know, that's just what I think. When I put these up, normally when I do my box braids with like regular braiding hair, it's kind of heavy, it hurts my head a little bit. But with the yarn braids, it's super soft, and I like the way that it grips at the top and they don't slip, and it's not harming my edges, because y'all know your girl is trying to get them back strong. So I really like this style because it's very easy to do. I think I used about 5 strings on each braid to get this size. And the good thing about using yarn is because when you use 5 strands each time, all of them come out even, like evenly. The thickness, you know, when you're braiding hair, you got to really eyeball it and be able to you know, get it just right, because you don't want one braid to be smaller or one braid to be bigger. But with the yarn braids, they're going to come out the same size each time because you're using the same amount of strands. But like I said, I do have a video showing how I did this. I think the last time I did this, I had all purple. I'll put it in the box down below. But also, where am I going to put it at? Over here is where I have a list of all the colors that I used in my hair. Let me do a spin around so y'all can kind of see it. I got this pinned up in the back with all of the colors kind of mixed together. I know this part right here looks funny, but I just kind of got it pinned back. But I like it, y'all. I really like this. I feel like it's me because I don't know, I just like the colorful styles. So for the ends of this hair, I just did it with a lighter, and it rolls pretty easy. I can show y'all. I just kind of take it like that and then take it and roll it. It doesn't burn my fingers, and it also stays, you know, let me get that a little bit more. Yeah, I just take it and roll it like that, and bam, it stays like in a little what's called, I don't have no issues with them unraveling. And then when I take them down, I kind of just clip it right there, and then they all just kind of come down like that. But yes, I really like this. So it's really cheap, really convenient, you know, and everything. So I just want to kind of show y'all what I was rocking, and yeah, I really like it. I think for maybe next month I'm gonna switch the colors around. I'm not sure, but if I do, I'll come back and show y'all what it come out like. But yeah, you guys, this is just a really quick video of me showing y'all my peacock themed yarn braids. And yeah, I'll throw a couple of pictures in there, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this hairstyle, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.